Okay, this is Vegas Pro version 16, and let's see why the video has black bars on the left and on the right side. So the first problem to check is come here to this icon, which is event pen crop. Okay, and make sure you're on the first keyframe there on the position layer, otherwise it will create transitions if you modify something. And come here to width and height. 1920 is the width and 1080 is the height, and that is already correct, which is mentioned here. Project is also 1920 by 1080, so these values have to be the same as these values, the width and the height. Okay, if you modify one value, and let's say I'm entering a number and see the height also modified, then in that case unlock the aspect ratio. Now it's unlocked, it's not blue, and then type in the same value which is mentioned here, 1920 by 1080. Okay, but that is not fixing the problem yet, so let's close this window. We still have the black bars, and here's the video track. Come here to the left side to these three horizontal lines. Okay, and we have track motion. Go to track motion, and the same thing here on the position. Make sure you're here, not somewhere there, because it will create a keyframe. So click on the first keyframe, and here we have also width and height. And after modifying this one to 1920 by 1080, notice the video was stretched out to its normal position and the black bars are no longer present. Take a look at this one. This also has a lock aspect ratio, so if you are modifying one number and it's automatically modifying the other one also, then uncheck it. Currently it's unchecked, now it's checked. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.